At Think Summit Europe, I shared my step-by-step guide to creating the ideal email experience with your customers in mind and the future of digital marketing. That's all the way from working our way backwards from the data that you actually need to connect to, how to connect to that data, and how did we even get to this point in email marketing that we're talking about this. The history of email marketing is a complex one. You know, even going back to Gary Thirk sending the very first email marketing communication, we've come a long way. Or have we? I explore that within my presentation. I talk about how we can connect to the right types of data. Maybe that's APIs, websites, CSVs. I even explain what an API is. So, first of all, to be able to look at the future, we had to take a step backwards. We had to look at the ideal email experience, what you would deliver for your customer in terms of messaging, creative, data, and automation is a really important part of that. And then we worked our way back to how we would then connect to those data types, whether that be API, website, CSV. The formula is simple to start off with. We have to work our way backwards from the ideal experience. If we don't know what we want to generate for customers, then we're not even going to be able to work out what data we want to connect to, and we're not going to be able to create and remodel email as a service. If you want to see the full presentation, click the link below and we'll let you know when it's available.